Welcome to Getting Up to Speed, the basics of household wiring. It's the goal of today's program to get you, as the name says, up to speed quickly. Understanding the basics of electricity is not hard. In fact, it's easier than you might think. It just takes a little knowledge, a little practice, and you'll be up and running in no time. Before you begin any electrical project, check with your local building department to understand building codes for your area and acquire any permits if you should need them. If you're a homeowner, be careful that your projects are legal and approved, or you could void your homeowner's insurance. Always seek out a professional electrician to help you through any complex situations. On this program, we're going to instruct you starting from the very basics. We will assume nothing. By the time we're done, your knowledge of electricity will be greatly increased. This program is designed to play continuously, but with our menu options, feel free to advance to any topic to learn the specifics. Let's start with the basics. Electricity is the flow of minute charged particles of energy through conductors, in our case, wires. Here is a sample of a simple circuit and the basis of understanding how electricity works. Here we have a power source supplying us electricity. The black wire leads power away from the power source. When electricity is flowing through a wire in this fashion, it is said to be a hot wire. The black wire delivers electricity to a device, in this case, a light. The electricity energizes the light filament and then returns to the power source by way of this white wire. This is also called the neutral wire. Once the current reaches back where it started, it creates what we call a complete circuit. As long as there are no breaks in this loop, the circuit will continue to conduct electricity. At any point along this path, were the path to be interrupted, the circuit would be broken and the flow of electric current would stop immediately. Additionally, in our example, a third wire called the ground is present. This wire serves as an alternative pathway to return the electricity back to the power source if at any time an accident were to occur. By code, this ground wire is either a green or bare copper wire. We will discuss more about this later. For now, it is important to understand how electricity gets to your home. Large power plants produce great amounts of electricity, which is transported to substations at a very high voltage. Eventually, transformers convert this high-voltage electricity into 120 and 240 volts for use in the home. This current enters the home through the service panel and is distributed into the home on individual circuits.